Hello everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daydran. Lincoln Tree single Bang is back in the spotlight. The song, which was released over 2 years ago, is again gaining traction, this time due to Friday's release of Bongos by US rappers Cardi B and Megan Thee Stallion. Within hours of the single being released, dancehall fans took to social media to share what they see as the similarity between the two tracks, with some even going further and calling out the US rappers for illegally sampling 3 Dots track. Take a listen.
Bang, 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 yeah, bang, 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 bang,
We good?
bang, 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 bang.
Lincoln 3 Dot in an interview said that he believes that the track was sampled without authorization.
Most of what they on the internet about lawsuit and stuff like that, I've never released any statement like that. Most of it are just people are saying for sue, and then some of the blogs them post them stuff and make it seems like me say me I go sue, you know what I'm saying? But I've never released any statement about suing. It's obvious the songs are very similar, because I don't me say it, you know, the people them say it. Ever since the song preview, sources say Atlantic know about my song now and the situation. We're not starting a lawsuit. We don't even know if we have a case as yet, you know?
3 Dots Bang is on the dembo-inspired beat, which is a popular genre in the Dominican Republic, and the spin-off from dancehall giant Shabba Ranks' 1990 hit song, Dembo. Neither Cardi B nor Megan Thee Stallion have made a public statement to date. Shenseea and Jada Kingdom spotted at New York Fashion Week. Now Twinkle, as she calls herself, wore a sheer black dress and was photographed out with US rapper Pardison Fontaine, while the Shenyang boss also wore a sheer dress. She posted her looks with the hashtag New York Fashion Week, thanking her designers. And the proud mom also shared videos and photos of her son, Rogero. He too hit the runway in New York, and overjoyed, Shenseea captioned, quote, "My little king on his first runway. Nothing makes me happier than seeing you happy." Now, still on New York Fashion Week, this year saw the return of Ralph Lauren after a 1-year hiatus. According to reports, Ralph Lauren staged a triumphant return to the spotlight, captivating the fashion world with his latest collection that marries timeless elegance with modern innovation. Lauren's illustrious career has seen him shape the fashion landscape for over 5 decades, earning him an enduring legacy as one of the industry's true icons. However, in recent years, his presence had waned as the designer took a step back from the runway. Now, Grammy-winning Nigerian singer Burna Boy has made history as the first ever African artist to secure a UK #1 album with I Told Them. Official charts company confirmed that for the first week of September, Burna's 7th studio album debuted at the top of the UK albums chart. The African giant was presented with a plaque by the British record chart company in commemoration of this record. Burna Boy is also celebrating his 7 nominations at this year's BET Awards. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daydran. Thank you for watching.